In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Exness account. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to say, and what to expect until you receive the final confirmation. Follow along, pause if you need to, and you'll be done in just a few minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Exness. In the results, pick the official website and double-check the address bar to make sure you're on the real site before you proceed. Once you're on the site, sign into your account using your normal credentials. If your account uses two-factor authentication, complete that prompt so you're fully logged in to the personal area. After you're logged in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for the chat icon. Click it to open a conversation with support. If prompted, choose your language and the reason you're contacting them. When the chat is open, type a clear message stating that you want to permanently delete your account. To help the team process your request without delays, include your registered email address and your support PIN, and keep it short and direct. For example, you could write, "I would like to permanently delete my account. My registered email is your email, and my support PIN is PIN." Avoid sharing passwords or other private details. Support will never need those for this request. If you prefer not to use live chat, you can send the same request by email to their support team using the same details. The key is that your message confirms the permanent deletion and includes the email address you used to register and your support PIN. After you submit your request, Exness may ask you to verify your identity. This can happen through a quick email confirmation, a one-time code by SMS, or in some cases, a document check. Respond promptly to any verification prompts so your request can move forward. Once everything is verified, you'll receive a confirmation email from Exness when your account has been successfully terminated. Processing isn't instant. It can take several business days for the closure to finalize. During that time, keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or junk folder, and avoid opening new chats about other topics on the same case to keep things simple. And that's it. You've searched for the site, signed in, opened the chat, provided the necessary details, completed any verification, and waited for the confirmation email. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.